Visual communications. There were some ethical problems with the last poster that was made. It had black people cleaning up the Ohio River, looking rough, looking skinny, dirty. They were probably seeking for help, but nobody was helping them. Just a bad overall poster from for cleaning up the Ohio River. The new poster that I would recommend doing is a barge. They are there to help clean up the Ohio River. They have all the space needed, the tools needed, and the resources basically to clean up the Ohio River instead of people doing it on their own. Uh, in general, this poster is more for the Ohio River being clean and keeping it clean because having this picture is a clean picture, but you still want to keep it clean. Basically, the trees in the background show that there is not a lot of room to be on the sidelines cleaning it. So being in the water would be the main resource, and on a barge is the most sense. So this photo is a better alternative cleaning the Ohio River. It shows a barge gaining help to clean up the Ohio River. The barge is able to hold the garbage as the crew cleans the river to have a healthier body of water and a cleaner community. It takes an entire city to clean the river, not just a certain race. If we are going to choose to have a celebrity endorser, they need to be the main face, not on the side of the poster. They need to be the main source of cleaning the Ohio River. We need to find sponsorship in order to have the right help and money to clean the Ohio River. So with the celebrity is there endorsing the main face of the Ohio River. So basically it's saying that having his face being a leader of all the people trying to clean the Ohio River. So they look up to that person, that celebrity, let's say, from trying to make a better community for them. And then having the help from the resources, such as other businesses around the area, other people who want a cleaner community in the city to help with the money and to clean out the river, of course. Having help from other sources will help the people within the organization focus on something other than their organization and do something good for the community. So instead of just doing their business aspects daily, they will focus on also cleaning up the Ohio River and finding more help and money. No altercations is done in this photo to make it look dirtier or poorer than the area is. Keeping the river clean is something we want to do. We as a community do not need to make our community look bad with a bad poster. These unethical issues are fixed with the new poster. Instead of showing poor urban areas, the new one shows a barge cleaning the river and trying to seek help. The poster focuses on cleaning the river and not the community around the river. Here's a reference that I used. And the page of reference is already gone.